In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use inventory reports in QuickBooks. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you clearly understand how to access and review your inventory data. With the right inventory reports, you can keep track of stock levels at any time and avoid costly discrepancies. Let's get started. Begin by opening your browser and going to the QuickBooks website. Once you're on the homepage, click the Sign In button. From the available options, select QuickBooks Online, since that's where all your inventory reporting features are located. Enter your login credentials, type in your username and password, and click Continue. If you have two-step verification enabled, complete the verification step. Once that's done, you'll be taken straight into your QuickBooks dashboard. From your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Reports. This will take you to the Reports Center, where all your financial and operational reports are organized. You'll notice different categories, but today we're focusing on the inventory section. To quickly find the report you need, use the search bar at the top of the reports page. Type Physical Inventory Worksheet. As you type, QuickBooks will automatically suggest related reports. When you see the one titled Physical Inventory Worksheet, click on it. The report will open and display your inventory items along with quantities, descriptions, and other relevant details. This worksheet is extremely useful when performing physical stock counts and comparing them with your system records. Reviewing it regularly can help you catch errors early, update quantities accurately, and keep your inventory management running smoothly. If needed, you can also customize the report, adjust the date range, filter items, and export the worksheet for offline counting. QuickBooks makes it easy to keep everything organized and up to date. So let's recap. You logged into QuickBooks Online, navigated to the Report section, used the search bar to find the physical inventory worksheet, and opened the report to view your inventory details. This simple routine gives you clear insights into your stock levels and helps maintain accurate inventory records for your business. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and used inventory reports in QuickBooks. Make this part of your regular workflow to ensure smoother, more reliable inventory management. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other QuickBooks tutorials to sharpen your skills even further. Happy bookkeeping!